Okay, so magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Tuwa. Okay, so kung inyo pong i-internalize, the picture is very familiar because we got this picture from there. Yes. So this is an actual application of what we learned today, everyone. The himig himbing. So we have we have the loving mother and the loving father, the children. They are actually twins. Yes. Though hindi sila magkamukha, but still it's there. And yes, exactly. And kasi kanina napansin namin na lahat tayo it showcase the chaotic part of the family, like a happy part of the family, but this one we want to showcase what is the effect of a lullaby to a baby, just like how a loving parents would give comfort and smoothness to the children. But kami din may paano. And we have a friendly reminder